Working with a concrete or structural plan using the quick measure on-screen software, we simply bring the plan up onto the screen, the PDF, and we set the scale of the plan. And then let's say we want to measure the square footage of the grouting area as drawn on the plan. What we're going to do is click with our mouse around the perimeter of the area that we want to measure by the square foot, and we have set up using a red color, and it will follow along behind us, so we will end up with a clear picture of what we have just taken off. And then we can also, of course, print that drawing out, give it to the guys in the field, or keep it as part of our bid. And we're just clicking around the perimeter of the area that we want to measure for square foot, just clicking with your mouse, and basically just kind of come back to where you started. Now, what we would do is, let's say we want to then deduct the middle area here that was drawn in the plan, okay, because the grouting area was indicated in the gray. So we go along, and we will then again follow the inside perimeter as shown on the plans, and come back to where we started. So now we have a square footage measurement of the grouting area. Now what we do here is we can go back to the top of the screen and touch the Done button. What that'll do is that'll transfer that quantity of square foot directly back to an Excel spreadsheet. So if you have your own Excel spreadsheets you're working with, you will take off the measurements using the quick measure on-screen software, and each measurement will then transfer back to your own Excel spreadsheet to help you price out your bid using the quick measure on-screen software.